Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add products to your collection here on Shopify. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Shopify website and then log into your account. So once you're here, just tap on the products option. That's right, and then go to the collections. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you have this add collection option at the top. So simply tap on this one. Okay, and then right here, you just have to name this collection. So for example, collection winter. So let me just correct this one. Winter. All right. So you can also add description for this collection. Okay, and then after that you just have to select the collection type. So the very effective one or the easiest one is the manual, so you can add products to this collection one by one. So after that one, you can also add image for this collection. Then here for the theme template, you can also select your theme template right here. So after that, you just have to search your products or simply tap on this browse products right here and you'll be able to see all of your products on your Shopify store. So if you are going to select this one, you just have to simply tap on it and then you'll be able to see here now your products for this collection. So after that, you just have to tap on the save option at the top. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your products. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.